Need the best auto body shop in the Waco, Texas Beverly Hills area? If you are trying to find an auto body repair shop in Waco's Beverly Hills area, you can quit searching. This is because the advanced technologies employed in vehicles requires a professionally trained mechanic to correct them if the need emerges, and looking for inexperienced help might do even more harm than good. While we might think that describing a user's manual is all we require to obtain the basics right in our vehicle, it's constantly better to see a vehicle service center, as one action failed can create chaos over the complete performance of your vehicle. You can obtain certified vehicle service center that would certainly prepare to supply you the best technological aid for your vehicle, at budget-friendly prices. It is best to seek a company that has considerable experience in this industry, and which has a legacy of customer contentment. It's constantly better to be safe than sorry when it comes to something as important and expensive as a vehicle. Along with regular maintenance and upkeep, there are several various other solutions that can be executed by a vehicle service center. The need for vehicle collision fixing is one of the most awful nightmares for any vehicle proprietor. However, with the dependable solutions of professional mechanics coming to you, you can recover your vehicle back to being like brand new, without needing to invest a fortune. Vehicle Information Solutions could do you an entire globe of good if you love your collection of wheels and would certainly such as to delight in some luxurious treatment. You can conserve a great deal of cash by choosing advanced touch-up techniques and rubbing methods with no swirl guarantee, which conserves the need for a repaint. The solution of paintless damage fixing, PDR, found at some vehicle service center is also a fantastic way to obtain excellent vehicle outsides on a budget. See to it that the solution is executed by trained PDR professionals. You can also benefit from a host of additional vehicle fixing solutions depending on your needs, that include indoor and furniture fixing, and windscreen fixing. A professional vehicle service center is one place that you most definitely will not be sorry for driving your vehicle right into. Body repair service near my home for Waco, Texas Beverly Hills. Check out a local auto body shop in the Waco, Texas Beverly Hills area to get your vehicle back on the road now. Thanks for checking out Auto Body Shop in Waco Beverly Hills. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.